Hey glitter critters, Leland here. I'm just gonna do my makeup today. I'm gonna show you how to do my makeup while my family is rudely interrupting in the background. Right now I'm just getting my beauty blender wet. Get it nice and squishy. Squeeze out the water. Perfect. I'm gonna grab a big towel for this. Okay. So I'm just gonna start with foundation.
Okay, so I'm just taking one bacon grilled cheese.
Yeah, I think so.
Mom, why are you making that?
Haley, you're good.
Yes, please. Put that all over your face. Make sure it's on there. Just gonna blend it all in. Put it in your neck. I like to put it on my eyelids so my eyeshadow stick.
The dishwasher's clean. Somebody else will turn the dishes.
There we go.
Oh shit, that didn't work.
What you trying
Nothing.
to do?
Nothing to see here. Dumb mom, move on. Really dumb. Nothing to see here.
Dumb mom, move on.
Okay.
I knew it was gonna be dumb, but I didn't think it would be that dumb.
Me with every situation in my life.
Like I knew I was being dumb, but I was.
Okay, next I'm gonna put on some contour. So I got a new contour stick. Right here.
Alright, I'm putting a rag in front of the washing machine. Please do not put it in the laundry though, because it has grease on it from bacon that I dripped. And I don't really want bacon grease in my laundry.
I do.
The housekeeping.
That orange string on the counter.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is my look. I'm finished.
It's probably flat. It's from Fiesta Fresh.
Are you recording? Yep.
Right.
Yes, I am. 4 minutes.
Are you gonna post it on YouTube?
Yeah. I actually have a YouTube.
Are we all on YouTube because we're talking?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh great. Well, why didn't you say you were taping?
I did!
I didn't hear you.
Bro, it's on the tape. I'll replay it.
She's sitting back there. She's like,
I said, Mom, why are you looking like that at the camera? Because 5 minutes ago you were like in the background. Now you're burping in my video. Am I surprised?
No.
Nope.
You can't even hear it over there.
Yeah, you hear.
Why are you making me your video when I don't want to eat video?
You're in the background now, Mama. That's not my fault.
Go somewhere else.
No. Make sure you blend in your nose contour, because otherwise you'll look like an idiot. Well, that's not blending at all. There it goes. That or that?
These don't sound are actually fun.
Yep, I'm posting on YouTube.
Okay. What if you become famous?
I'm not gonna edit it or anything. I'm just gonna post it.
It's gonna be like 35 minutes long.
That's enough.
Thirst.
Yeah.
Contour? Oh yeah. Next, I'm going in with my
Ew.
Tiggy contour
Kathy, you gotta do this.
with my brush. So I'm just gonna like dab it in just a little bit and just go over that contour just to pack it down with some powder. And it does look really strong on the camera, but it really is not that strong of a contour. I've definitely seen stronger. I'm just gonna go into my chin and my temples, just to make sure I got everything blended in. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Sephora. This is my powder, and I'm just gonna use this little sponge that's made in here, and I'm just gonna make sure that's under my eye. Just pretty much anywhere the contour is not. Okay, next is highlight, and I just got a new highlight from the grocery store. And my brush never really picks it up, so I just put it straight on my face, like that. Beautiful.
I would be so annoyed if it was my first. This butter thing is annoying. Tell me you open the shit slice.
Oh yeah.
Like violent to that beat.
On the middle.
Are you going to pick me? Is that what you're supposed to do with that?
Well, my brush doesn't pick it up, so I just put it straight on my face. It's not that strong. Like, you could barely even see it, really.
You're not even a real beauty guru.
Yes, I am. As long as my makeup looks good, I'm a beauty.
She's got a cosmetology license.
Yeah.
That's what she's doing.
Just because she has a cosmetology license doesn't mean she's a beauty guru. Okay, what's next?
Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And I'm gonna make them brown.
Oh, wow.
I can't find my makeup.
That's a good switch up.
Aha! So this is just my little angled brush. And I'm just gonna dip it into Cypress Umber of Anastasia. Just one dip.
This video is going to be 17 years long.
What?
You're like looking at the mirror under the camera.
I'm insecure.
Catherine.
Here's your bacon grilled cheese.
Did you put bacon on the grilled cheese?
Yes. Why would we call it a bacon grilled cheese if it didn't have...
There's a strip of cheese inside that's not melted.
I don't know why the cheddar jack cheese is not melted.
I don't either.
I don't know.
So there's my first eyebrow. What?
She said I make 8:45. Bitch, I'm starting at 9.
Don't say the B word. I'm gonna get demonetized.
Shut up.
Can I have the
There's bacon? On it?
Where's those? Here's those.
A piece?
No.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
This girl just
Eyebrows
texted me
are
and
filling.
asked me what shift I have for Five Guys, right? Asked her how much she makes. She said 8:45. I'm starting at 9 something. But she said she gets paid 8:45 and her paychecks are close to 200 a week.
Oh, she's already there.
Yeah, like she's training in different. She's training in like Strongsville and
Where do you start training?
25th.
Oh yeah. Am I on?
Now I'm going in with my eyeshadow. Real Gar. That's what it's called. It's like an orange color.
Show them the palette. What's the color?
I bought a penis squishy.
She did.
She's videotaping.
So I'm going in with
I
this
did. Wanna see it?
orange color. Right there.
It was $3.50.
For why?
I wanted it.
Why are you so obsessed?
Squishies are great.
She's not obsessed.
With penises.
Oh, I just saw it. It was cute. It's a cute squishy. Hold on.
I mean, that's a 13-year-old behavior.
Alright, that looks pretty bonded to me.
Get 3 minutes.
Now I'm gonna go on to red ochre.
Yeah.
I know, it's from the Beatles. I don't know how to find a picture of it.
Just gonna blend that into my
Yeah.
crease. Then I'm gonna go in with antique bronze.
The balls.
No.
His ball feet.
Terrible.
Let me show your viewers. I bought a penis squishy.
Yeah, it seems to be good.
Nah.
I'm just ashamed of you.
At first I thought it wasn't a penis, and then I saw a picture,
Are you really going to post this? It's terrible.
and then I saw this picture. Oh my god.
Next one with this shitty little eyeshadow thing I got in 2012. And I'm just gonna put it on my finger
People,
and put it on my eyelid.
Your banana fingers.
there's a video of somebody squishing their penis squishy. See, you got a little hole in the top.
There's a hole in the top?
There's a titty one too, Mom. I didn't buy the titty one.
Just basic $3.50 on that one.
And I'm just gonna put the leftover right there on my eyelid. Here's the next eye I'm going in. highlight shade. Like I said, extra on the cheekbone. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyelash curler.
You know what you should name this video? Shitty makeup tutorial, but good makeup. Watch now.
No, I should name it makeup tutorial. Tutorial makeup on eyes and lips and face and nose and contour.
No, why would you do that?
Because I'm Wish.
No.
I'm the female version of Wish.com. Okay, so I just called those big babies.
Big. Dad! We're on YouTube!
I already got demonetized. It's too late.
Haley said the S from the beginning.
I'm going with this mascara.
I'm the real show here.
Not
You look
necessarily.
beautiful.
I know.
Thank you, Haley. Oh, you're welcome, Calvin. What's your YouTube's name?
I don't remember, but I have one.
How long is your video?
I posted a video one time.
16 minutes already! Nobody's gonna watch that.
Maybe they'll just skip through it like we do.
Sorry, other beauty gurus. We just skipped through y'all video. We're twins. Me and Catherine are twins. Except for I'm the pretty one.
You're also the crackhead. Okay. I think we'll go in with more mascara.
What if we grow up famous, Dad? My whole career is going to be YouTube with my sissy. What if I just froze the rest of the video like that?
Sorry, and swallow. Don't do that.
Oh my god! Dad, why don't you come show yourself?
Alright. Now it's time for a lippy. So, we got these kind of lippies. I'm gonna, ask Haley which lippy she'd rather me do.
I'm right here. You don't have to say that, like I'm in the other room. I think a nice rosy pink.
Alright, so I have options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's option 1, 2, 3, 4, which this is a gloss, so you could do like 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 plus 4.
No.
5, it's a little baby, and 6.
How's this one?
Light pink.
That one. 2.
Ooh!
I like that. Matches your eyes.
No, it does not match my eyelids.
Yes, it does.
This one's disqualified. Pick another one.
Do 4 on top of 6.
That's also gloss. So you have to choose 4 on top of 1, 2, or 3.
4 on top of that one.
Okay, so she chose this one and this
Fucking brat. Put it on
one. So
your
I
lip.
need to stop laughing, then I can put on my lipstick. Stop distracting. Oh wow, look at that color.
Sorry, her boyfriend's texting her.
No, actually a work coworker.
You ready, Dad?
Ryan.
Almost.
Also, this smells a little bit like berries, so.
Are you going to the island with them?
Are you?
No.
So we're leaving in 12 minutes. I can do time to finish up.
Our video's already
I still have to
300
edit it.
Girl! You're not editing it. Learn how to do that zoomy in thing.
So, there's my lips. I'm gonna put number 4 on top.
Why don't you reveal what number 4 actually is?
Or number 4. Now, this is a lip plumper. Okay?
Put them on me. Put them on me.
Now rub it around.
Do I look plumper?
Okay. So there's that. So next, I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner.
You are disgusting!
So here's my eyeliner. It was $1 from Target because I'm a broke ass bitch.
Hey, I thought we were swearing.
I mean broke ass. Or I mean a broke girl.
Person.
I'm a broke girl. So yeah, I'm just gonna give myself the biggest one you ever fucking seen. Ooh, I mean ever seen. Please hold.
I should be doing Tyson right
Send me that video. Oh shit. Oh wow, did you bring a combo?
Alright, so there's the first eye. Gonna have to put some more mascara on. There's eye number 1. Let's do now eye number 2. It's gonna be a little bit harder.
Actually win this game. Ah, you suck.
Deep breath. And go back in. Okay.
On.
So, there's that. Put a little bit more mascara on my eyes. And, there's my finished look. Let me get closer to the light so you can see a little bit better. Really?
Yeah.
Okay, this isn't working. You know what? I'm just gonna go like this. So, here's the final look. You can see the eyes, the contour the ooh.
Come on.
And yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below.